Hi.
Sir, tell me the models.
It's 1936, Austin 7.
Austin 7. Oh, very nice, sir. Sir, tell me about this engine specifications, anything like that.
It's a 4 liter. It's a 4 cylinder engine, and it's all original. Yeah, and I mean it's been maintained for about 40 years in my house.
40 years?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Sir, you are the initial owner?
No, the third owner.
Third owner.
This car was used in a movie called Ankur, which introduced Shabana Azmi and Anant Nag.
Oh, super, very nice. And you purchased it for?
It's a family thing.
It's a family thing.
It has come down from the family.
And you kept restoring from this?
Yeah, it has been restored. Like everything is the original one. Yes, all the parts have been imported from UK.
So, where you are getting the parts from?
I get it from UK.
UK?
Yeah.
You know somebody over there who can get some?
I work in Dubai, so I just get it from there.
The final question, restoration cost?
I do it. More than 50% is done by me.
More than-
50 to 60% is done by me. There's one person. His name is Azim. He's been working on this car for about 40 years.
40 years?
Anytime I call him, he comes home and he does the work.
Okay. And final,
Sure.
what is the price?
No value.
Priceless, sir.
It's no value.
It's no value. Okay, very nice.
Never thought of selling it, so I'm not
Just
doing it.
wondering like how much it would be now.
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know to do that as well. Yeah.
Priceless. Thank you very much, sir.